Surfer Cook here. Welcome to my Tropical Update 2023 video covering Hurricane Franklin and Hurricane Idalia. Here we are August 30th on the Franklin swell. It was hitting my beach pretty good. A lot of closeouts though. It's the first day I've been on the Corevac Assassin all year. I figured it was a good day to take it out. Nice tropical energy out there. Thing about my beach break is though, a lot of closeouts. There's no jetties. There's no piers, no features for the wave to interact with. So pretty much it's just looking for corners. I was cleaning sand out of my ears and my nose for a week. Swimmers were struggling with that current. This was the cleanest wave I caught that day. This is my buddy Bob Ruther from Pennsylvania. He had just picked up that new Nash Pakua board. I think it was only like 110 liters. Unfortunately, my solo shot didn't get him on any rides. It was a struggle to find waves. The Assassin felt real good this day. I was glad I took it out. Later for this session. So I came back in the evening and the tide had filled in. It was definitely a lot slower out there. These dudes were amazed at the solo shot. Decided to take out the 9.2 Paddle Surf Hawaii hull ripper. High tide had definitely softened up the waves. Last cleanup set of the day for me. Okay, so the next swell was about a week later, the Idalia swell. Another long period, so I decided to go down to the groin on the end of the island where I live, which is pretty much the epicenter of surfing around here. The groin definitely helps these long period swells peel off. And there was no shortage of takers this day, that's for sure. This was the Tuesday right after Labor Day, and you can see there was quite a lot of hungry surfers out there trying to get their froth on. I had to wait for quite a few surfers to take waves before I could go. At least I was the only paddleboarder out. It was a sharing is caring day. I'm quite grateful that I'm able to sup this spot and not get any vibes from the proner surfers. It was breaking real nice. Even down in the cove, surfers were taking waves. This was definitely my best wave. I was quite fortunate to get it to myself. Full party wave there. Pretty deep into the reserve after you get a long ride. Me and a bodyboarder I know taking the walk back together. Thought for sure I could have glided through this one, but it got me. I should have gave it a couple paddles. Dude sprayed me real well. Sometimes the brake gets one to herself. That's it for my September 5th session. And now here we are the next day. The swell had dropped, but it was still pumping. I was off to a slow start, but it was better than sitting at home. Here's my buddy Chris LaRocca, and he had asked me if he could wear the tag, the tracking tag for the solo shot. So I hooked him up. Got stuck behind him on that one. I should have been a little more aggressive and caught up to him. Thanks for checking it out. Catch you on the next one. If you're enjoying my videos, hit the like and subscribe button, would you? Comments wouldn't hurt either. Later.